Hey, what's going on? This view is amazing. Look at this island. Oh my God. It does not get any better than this right here. So we are going to the famous Long Bay Beach. This place is supposed to be pristine, calm, a mile-long stretch of beautiful white sand beaches with mountains, and the water here is crystal clear. So I'm gonna take you there with us right now. So stay tuned and let's go. Say what's up, man.
What's going on? Welcome to the BVI.
We're speeding through the mountains.
How are you?
We got the chair plug right here.
Yeah.
What'd you hook us up with? What'd you help us with?
The chairs and the umbrellas.
Yep.
Yeah.
You got the deals?
Welcome and hope you come again.
She got the good
Be
deals?
here with us. The best deal. The best deal.
And the best views.
Yeah.
Now this is the definition of paradise right here. Look at this view. Oh man. So this is Long Bay Beach. We just got here. It's a beautiful place. As you can see, there's not a lot of people here. It's a more secluded beach. It's more peaceful, if that's your type of thing, you know. But there also is some shops, some drink areas, so you have a little bit of everything. But I love this beach so far because I'm gonna be able to fly the drone. I'm gonna be able to just relax. It's not packed. You get a lot of space. As you can see, I'm swimming in the middle of the ocean with no one around me but a beautiful view. This is so nice. It cost us $24, so it's $12 a person. We took a taxi from the port. So when you get to Pier Park, you walk up to the end, you'll have a taxi, and they charge us $12 a person. So $24 here, and then $24 back. And the taxi driver said he was gonna come back at 3:30 to pick us up. So hopefully he comes back and picks us up. But it looks like there's some other people here that have taxis and buses and stuff. So if anything, we'll be able to get back no matter what on the ship. But yeah, I mean, so far, man, this is beautiful. This is paradise. I mean, it's more than worth it. It was more than worth it. And the drive was only about 20 minutes. So 20-minute drive. So we're gonna leave a little early, make sure we don't miss the ship. But man, I'm gonna soak it up while I'm here. So let's go. I'm gonna show you guys some drone shots. Let's go. Let's see, how many skips can I get? Three. We're at Long Bay Beach where this amazing bar. This service is amazing. We're with Simone right now. Say what's up, Simone.
Well, it's here. Come to this beach whenever. TripAdvisor, look it up.
Yep, TripAdvisor. You can find her on TripAdvisor.
Beach Bar.
Yep.
Beautiful.
What's the name of it?
Right Mix. Yeah.
Cool. Come check her out when you guys come here. She's an amazing person.
Definitely.
She's really cool. So, hey, but we had a great time. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Yep.
Most welcome.
Bye.